Protecting your most valuable enterprise assets requires complete visibility into who can access your resources. Manual policy and access level reviews can be error-prone, time-consuming, and can't keep pace as your AWS organization grows. IAM Access Analyzer is a unified CIM experience that gives you complete visibility into your access permissions so you can drive toward least privilege at scale. With automated policy validation, you can set user permissions that align with security standards and IAM best practices before deployment, flagging risky policies and streamlining compliance. Get centralized visibility in one unified dashboard that lets you verify user permissions across your AWS organization so you can track external, internal, and unused access. And responsive risk reduction monitors policy changes, delivering insights that let you refine permissions, ensuring only the right users have access. Now you can easily set, verify, and refine permissions across your AWS organization that help you meet your security and compliance requirements. Enable IAM Access Analyzer in your AWS console today.